Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Sugar in cough drops feeds harmful bacteria in your mouth, producing acids that erode tooth enamel and cause cavities. Sucking on them for a long time means sugar stays on your teeth longer, raising the risk. Choosing sugar-free cough drops helps protect your teeth while soothing your throat.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.